बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व आले मुहम्मद व अज्जिल फरज आले मुहम्मद। Today we are studying frontier molecular orbital theory for cycloaddition reactions. 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction and 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reactions. Remember, 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions are photochemical cycloaddition reactions. Allowed. 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions are photochemically allowed cycloaddition reactions, while 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reactions are thermally allowed cycloaddition reactions. We will explain next what is the reason for that 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions are photochemically allowed and 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reactions are thermally allowed. Frontier molecular orbital theory states HOMO of any one molecule and LUMO of other molecule are involved during the cycloaddition reactions because empty orbital can accept electrons only. In cycloaddition reactions, molecular orbitals HOMO, highest occupied molecular orbital of one molecule, overlap with the molecular orbital lowest unoccupied molecular orbital of other molecule. By donation of electrons from one reactant, one molecule to other reactant, sigma bond is formed. Two pi bonds are converted into the two sigma bond during the cycloaddition reactions. There are two modes of orbital overlap for the formation of two sigma bonds at the same time. First is the superficial overlap of molecular orbital. Second is the interfacial overlap of molecular orbital. The superficial orbital overlap, both sigma bonds are formed from same side of the pi system. Like this is the superficial overlap. Negative lobe overlaps with the negative and negative lobe overlaps with the negative lobe on the same side of pi system. In interfacial overlap, pi bond is formed from the opposite side of pi systems. This is positive lobe overlaps with the negative and negative overlap with the positive. During the interfacial overlap, in the interfacial overlap, pi bond is formed from the opposite side of the pi system. In interfacial overlap, pi bond, sigma bond is formed, not pi bond. Sigma bond. In interfacial overlap, sigma bonds formed from opposite side of the pi system. Interfacial overlap, this is the interfacial overlap, one is the superficial overlap, this two is the interfacial overlap. This is cycloaddition reactions which involve 4, 5 and 6 membered rings involve the superficial overlap. Cycloaddition reactions that form the larger rings involve the interfacial, which are non-aromatic, involve the interfacial overlap. In phase overlap of orbital is superficial overlap to give the new two sigma bonds. In 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions, analysis shows HOMO of diene and LUMO of dienophile, or LUMO of diene and HOMO of dienophile are involved. This is the LUMO of diene, this is the HOMO of dienophile, this is the superficial overlap, this is negative lobe with negative and negative with the negative. This is the superficial overlap. This is the interfacial overlap, this is the LUMO of diene and this is the HOMO of dienophile. So this is the interfacial overlap, negative overlaps with the positive. 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions are photochemical cycloaddition reactions, and 4 plus 2 are thermal addition reactions. Sometimes they occur at very low temperature, or room temperature, or low temperature than the room temperature. In 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, HOMO, LUMO are of equal energy. Reason is that in 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, HOMO of one molecule and LUMO of other molecule are of approximately equal energy and same symmetry. So therefore, these lead to the superficial overlap. These lead to the thermal. These are the thermal addition reactions. These are the thermally induced reactions. These are 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions, therefore are thermal reactions. Why 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions are photochemical addition reactions? We will explain in the next lecture. These are some examples of uh, um, 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reactions. This is the 4 pi system, this is the 2 pi system. 4 plus 2, this is the subsequents, this is superficial overlap. On the during the superficial overlap, subsequents remain on the same side. This is on same side, transform this, therefore these COO-ME methyl group and COO-ME are on the opposite side, as this configuration of dienophile is same as in the reactants. This is another example. This is substituted diene COO or COO-ME or COO-ME. मिथाइल मेलिएट है, ये मिथाइल मेलिएट है, तो इसमें ये डाइइन है, ये डाइनोफाइल है, ये डाइनोफाइल है, ये डाइइन है. तो subsequents on 1 carbon and on the 4 carbon are phenyl groups. These are on the same side. So on in the product, these phenyl groups are also on same side, and in the diene these are cis. Therefore these COO-ME and COO-ME are on also same side. So therefore configuration, these are the stereospecific reactions we have already studied. 4 plus 2 or 2 plus 4 cycloaddition reactions are stereospecific reactions. So these are some examples of more examples of these elder reaction are 4 plus 2 cycloaddition reactions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil faraj ali Muhammad.